Hi guys, I am Zeffi from Zeffi Setups. I hope you all guys are doing well. In today's video, I will create an anime home screen setup which is based on Dragon Ball Z character Broly. I hope you all enjoy it. If you are new to my channel, then I want to welcome you all. I aim to post a new home screen setup on every weekend, so guys stay tuned. Without any further delay, let's start the video. Hey everyone, welcome to the preview of your finale home screen. Don't skip this video or you will miss out on crucial settings. Let's dive into the tutorial. First thing first, download all the necessary applications including the backup file. You can find the links in the post on my blog at www.zeffisetups.com. Here is the post and these are all the links. Now let's reset all the settings from the Nova launcher. Simply swipe up 2 fingers. Go to the backup and restore. Tap on the reset to default and reset all the settings. After the reset, again go to the Nova settings. Open the backup and restore the backup file from the downloaded folder which you download from my website. Tap on it and restore the backup file. For extracting you can use any file extractor, but I recommend using Z-Archiver. After restoring the backup, open the WallGenius application. Navigate to the collections. Open the head portrait and set HP16 wallpaper on your home screen. Now go to the widget configurations. First you have to tap on the top widget and select the iconic widget. The widget number is 48. You can simply search it by typing 48. Set widget layer to 100 and follow the steps on the screen. Now we go to the globals and change the C4 and C5 color. Simply tap on it and select this one, then apply. After setting the colors, go to the items, tap on overlap group, go to the position and set anchor to the top. Set its Y offset to -10. Then press OK. Now go to the shortcuts, then touch, tap on custom action and disable the block touch. Then press save button. For this setup I used the Lux green icon pack. Feel free to use any icon pack you prefer and let me know in the comments what you think about other icon packs for this setup. Now tap on the bottom widget. Also select this widget from iconic custom widget. Widget number is 46. Tap on it. Go to layer. Set its size to 100. Then go to the globals for color changing. Tap on C1 color. Select the same color which I used in previous widget. Now go to the bottom. Change the search icon color to black. Now go to the items. Open stack group. Open overlap group. Change the rectangle width to 620. Now go to the last circle, open the FX and change the texture to vertical gradient. Now set the widget position. Change its anchor to bottom and set the Y offset to 10. Then press OK. Again go to the widget touch. Select the disabled block touch. Then press save button. There you have it, your home screen setup is now ready. Enjoy the new look and feel of your device. If you have any thoughts or suggestions, drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching. I hope you guys enjoy the tutorial and thanks for tuning in. We'll see you in next video. Take care. Bye.